This is a disaster. I don't know what kind of knife we got in this house. This thing is just mincing the tomato instead of cutting it up. If Gordon Ramsay was here next to me, he would have probably cussing me out by now. Hey, what's up, you amazing people out there? What's up? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping safe, taking good care of your health, and taking precautions from this COVID virus. Hopefully, soon we can reopen the country. Anyway, guys, it's almost dinner time here in Suriname. It's after 7 now. And I decided to try this snack I had a few weeks ago. One of my coworkers, she introduced me to this snack, and I've loved it since then. So I'm going to try it now for the first time. It's an Italian snack. It's called bruschetta. Tomato bruschetta. And I know many of you guys are probably familiar with it, but for those who haven't had it as yet, I'm going to prepare it so those can have a chance to see how to make it. It's simple. It's simple. It doesn't even take 5 minutes. 6 minutes. Okay, give and take 10 minutes with the preparation and everything. It's no cooking, just some basic ingredients you just stir together and you have a healthy snack. So join me, guys. Let's prepare this together fast, and I have a snack for you. Okay, guys, and these are the ingredients we're going to use to make our bruschetta. 8 tomatoes, washed. 6 to 8. I'm working according to the recipe I got from my coworker, and I'll try to make it exactly the way she made it. So I'm using the identical ingredients inside. So you need to have 6 to 8 basils. Basil, I think I got 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 7. 3 cloves of garlic, smashed. Half a red onion, and like I said, 8 tomatoes. Um, the basil, the garlic, and the onion has to be finely chopped, except in the tomatoes. And then you need like about 60 to 80 milliliters of olive oil and about 30 milliliters of balsamic vinegar. Simple ingredients, guys. Simple and healthy. And salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up these ingredients. I need a knife. Okay, guys. The recipe actually called for toasted bread. Toasted bread with the bruschetta. I added with some soda crackers, and it was really good. I think you can have it with even rice, maybe some roti, maybe tortilla, maybe burritos, whatever. It, I think it goes on everything, guys. Um, I love it with soda crackers, so I'm gonna have my soda crackers, but you guys can have yours with toasted bread. I think the real bruschetta is with toasted bread. And like I said, it's an Italian snack, supposedly eaten before a meal. Okay, there you have the basil chopped up. The tomatoes not too fine, so I guess I'm gonna probably just chop it up. Probably like this, maybe. And this is the first time I'm trying this, guys. Sorry if I'm a bit clumsy with the knife right now. I'm hungry. Yeah, that's chopped, not too fine. Okay, let me try this way. All right. Um, Equipment fail. I need to have a better knife. This is not sharp enough. Plan B. This is a disaster. I don't know what kind of knife we got in this house. This thing is just mincing the tomato instead of cutting it up. Oh, that's too big. Thank you, Rachel, for introducing me to this recipe. This is your recipe. This will be my health diet snack. Okay, I gotta make sure there's no finger in that tomato just now. If Gordon Ramsay was here next to me, he would have probably cussing me out by now. Okay, finally. Just put this inside here. Okay, half an onion. Finely chopped. Definitely though. Jeez. Plan C. Plan C. There you go. Finely chopped. The onion goes in there now. Now we have the garlic. That's it, guys. Now we're gonna add the vinegar and the olive oil. Okay, what do you have here? 60. 60 to 80. So I'll put 80 here. Okay. And the balsamic vinegar would be, it's a 60, so we need 30, so it'll be half of this. That's about half. Salt to taste and pepper. I'll put a little bit of salt and make sure it's okay. And then I will some black pepper. And we give it a whirl, we give it a stir, a swirl. Smells good. Simple and healthy. And don't forget, guys, when you're finished, it needs, according to the recipe, it has to chill in the fridge for 1 hour so the flavors can blend in together. So don't forget. And afterwards, if you wanna serve it at room temperature, you can take it out. If you like it chill, then you can have it chill. Taste it if it needs more salt. Yeah, some more salt. And there you have it, guys. Bruschetta. What's the word it's called? Bruschetta. Bruschetta. You cannot pronounce it wrong because it's Italian, so you gotta say bruschetta. Okay, guys. So I'll try it with some soda crackers. I love it with the soda crackers. Um, like I said, you guys can try it with the toasted bread, or with roti, or with burritos, tortillas, rice. But I love it with the crackers. So let me see how this is gonna work, guys. Cheers. Rachel, that's just like your recipe. See? I authenticated your recipe. Good? It's good, guys. Yep. Well, guys, there you have it. Well, guys, there you have it. Fast, simple, and healthy. You guys can try that. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the other video. See you guys. God bless.